Welcome to Valparaíso, a city full of hills, history, and color. Known as Chile's cultural capital, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is full of vibrant street, historic funiculars, and sweeping views of the Pacific. In this video, we will explore Valparaíso in one day, from lively plazas and street art to panoramic miradors. Let's dive into this colorful wonder of history together. Plaza Sotomayor is considered the civic center of Valparaíso. It is framed by historic buildings and serves as the main square for gathering, parades, and commemoration. The striking blue and white building that dominates one side of Plaza Sotomayor is now the Navy headquarters, but it was originally built in 1910 as the Intendencia de Valparaíso, or the regional government building. But in 1973, it was turned over to the Navy, and today it houses the Commander-in-Chief of the Navy. At the center of the plaza stands the monument to the Héroes of Iquique, a memorial built in the late 19th century. It honors the Chilean naval officers and sailors who died in the Battle of Iquique during the War of the Pacific against Bolivia and Peru, particularly Capitán Arturo Prat Chacón, Chile's most revered naval hero. And in case you want to visit, his remains along with others are in a crypt underneath the monument. A short walk away, Muelle Prat buzzes with energy. Fishermen hauls the day's catch, street vendors sell Chilean snack, and artists paint the sparkling day. Here you can hop on a boat tour for a unique view of the city's hillside home and historic buildings. Opened in 1902, the Queen Victoria Funicular is one of Valparaíso's most beloved icons. It connects the lower city at Elias Street to Paseo de Malo above. The ride takes less than a minute and costs about 200 Chilean pesos, but yet it offers million-dollar views of the bay, saving visitors from a steep climb while offering sweeping views of the bay and hills. The tracks run diagonally up the hillside, covering about 52 meters or 170 feet in elevation. Unlike other funiculars of the era, it was built using steel rails, wooden carriages, and a counterweight system operated initially with steam engines, but it was later converted to electric. And if you don't want to get down using their stairs, yes, you can use a slide, and they are everywhere in the city. At the top, the atmosphere changes. Colorful facades, cozy cafés, and restaurants make it a perfect spot to relax and soak in the scenery. Next up is Cerro Alegre. This is a maze of vibrant streets filled with art galleries, boutique shops, and architectural gems. Each corner reveals a splash of colors or a mural that tells part of the city's story, making every stroll feel like an open-air museum. Unlike the busy port below, Cerro Alegre has a laid-back bohemian energy. It is a place to wander slowly, take pictures, sip coffee, and just let this hillside charm sink in. Nearby, the famous piano staircase in Cerro Concepción connects Fisher's Stairway to Pasaje Gálvez. Painted kits lead you upward into one of the city's most creative areas. We are here for the art, and Valparaíso is South America's street art capital. Around Hotel Manoir, Atkinson, and beyond, walls explode with massive, colorful murals. Artists from all over the world come here to transform the city into a living gallery, attracting thousands of visitors each year. If you like Valparaíso Travel Guide, please give it a thumbs up or comment below. It helps more people discover the video and allows me to keep creating more. Paseo Mirador is a scenic walkway that offers panoramic sweep views of the port, hills, and ocean. It is a peaceful break from the bustling street, perfect for photos or for just enjoying the salty sea breeze. Paseo Gálvez and Paseo Gervasoni are two pedestrian streets that are brimming with art, small shops, and charming cafés. You can spot murals at every turn and enjoy the breathtaking views from hilltop terraces. in Valparaíso with the Ascensor Concepción, the city's oldest funicular, dating back to 1883. It is a fitting farewell to Valparaíso, a city that combines history, creativity, and breathtaking views in every direction. That's a wrap on your one-day journey to Valparaíso. This city is truly a living canvas of history and creativity. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures around the world. Thank you for watching and see you in the next destination.